How to download Firefox on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search firefox.com. Make sure it's the official website of Firefox. Then in here, scroll down and you'll find Download Firefox. Click on Download Firefox. After it's downloaded, click on arrow-like option at the top. Here, click on Firefox Installer, which will open this page. In here, in my case, I have already installed, so there is reinstall option if you have not installed. Earlier, you'll find install only. Click on install in here, which is the blue mark, and then your installation will be success and you'll be able to use Firefox. This is how to download Firefox on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.